Hey, what's up? This is a new typography series video. So in this series, I will teach you how to animate your typographies. This is the first episode. In this episode, I will share a simple typography animation. So let's do it. Pinterest is one of the best site for finding inspiration. So I chose one quote from Pinterest and use the type tool to write the text in After Effects and use the type tool again to write the second line. So anyway, I just create two text and now align the text into the center. Now you can align. Now you can change the font into what you like. So I think I prefer some sans series font. So D dot is one of the best font in sans serif series. So I think this is better. Yeah, anyway, I just hide this layer because you can hide the second text because right now we are not going to animate. Anyway, go to the first text and drop down and add a position animate options. So here you can change the positions value. It will change completely. Say for example, if I set the value into 50, then the text will be a little down, and if you drop down the range selector, you can change the end value. See, you can see the animation only will happen in between this range selector. If you change the position, now see, the position only will change in between this range selector. So you can choose this range selector by words, by letters, so you can animate based on this. So anyway, I just speed up the process. So it's nothing, just change the position value into 100 and change the start and end value in between T because I want to animate T. Anyway, I just add a keyframe. You can add a keyframe in position by clicking stopwatch icon, and the end moment go a little bit forward and change the position value into 00. So it will neutralize. Now select the keyframe and change the change into easy ease. Now go to graph editor, and these are very simple, that's why I'm just speeding up. So graph editor, change your graph editor like this, it will give you more ease. So if you select the second keyframe, you can move a little bit forward to slow down your animation. Anyway, drop down select your main text and press the P button, and you can add a keyframe, and if you press shift plus U, you will get both keyframes. Then go to the next keyframe and move your entire text a little bit up, so you can animate the entire text also and change the graph like this. See, now your text also animate plus T separately will animate. You can animate. Now do the same thing for the bottom text. So I just change the tracking size and everything. You can change, yeah. Now add a keyframe at the end because we need the end position like this, and shift T for opacity and add a keyframe for opacity also. At here you can move this text to here and change the opacity into 0. Now the problem is yeah, I think this is fine. Now you can add a easy ease to these keyframes, select the whole keyframe, and you can press F9, that's a shortcut, and change the graphs like this. Yeah, that's it. So create something creatively and try different ideas, try different words. So